Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Sensory motor stage. So this is based on the cognitive developmental stages. First, it begins with the sensory motor stage. So this includes the birth to 2 years of age, and they learn through the sensory observations. Next is the gradually start controlling motor functions. So control the motor functions as well. And initially there is no objective performance. No object performance is seen. And the here and now thinking is also seen. Here and now thinking is done. Then there is out of sight and out of mind thinking as well. Out of sight and out of mind thinking is done. Next is there is object permanence development at the end of the stage. Object permanence development at end of the stage. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.